In 1914, one man dreamed of crossing Antarctica. His name was Ernest Shackleton. Many people believed the journey was almost impossible. But Shackleton believed courage was stronger than fear. His ship was called Endurance. 27 brave men joined the expedition. Everyone believed they were making history. The long journey to Antarctica began. At first, everything went well. Then the sea became colder every day. Giant ice surrounded the ship. Soon, the ship could not move anymore. The crew waited, hoping the ice would break. Days became weeks, weeks became months. The ice squeezed harder every day. The wooden ship began to break apart. The Endurance was dying.
Shackleton gave one simple order: save every life!
The men left the ship behind forever.
They camped on floating ice in the freezing cold.
Food became harder to find. Every day became a fight to survive.
Still, nobody gave up.
We push on.
Together.
No turning back.
Shackleton never lost hope. Finally, the ice broke apart beneath them. The crew escaped in 3 small boats. After many dangerous days, they reached Elephant Island. But no one would ever find them there. Shackleton made one impossible decision.
We must abandon the ship.
He would sail across the world's roofest ocean. Only 6 men went with him. Giant waves nearly destroyed their boat. Freezing wind covered everything with ice.
After 16 days, they reached South Georgia Island.
But the rescue station was on the other side of the island. Shackleton climbed mountains that no one had crossed before. At last, they reached the whaling station. Shackleton immediately planned a rescue.
We must reach the whaling station. Plot the course. Ready the boats.
After several attempts, the rescue ship finally reached Elephant Island. Every single man was still alive. Shackleton proved that true leadership means never leaving anyone behind. His story still inspires the world today. For 590 days, nearly 20 months, Shackleton and his crew fought ice, hunger, freezing storms, and endless darkness. Against impossible odds, every one of the 28 men survived. More than a story of survival, it became one of the greatest examples of leadership the world has ever known.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.